This is Sonic, now reimagined as a lightning-fast fish racing through the ocean like a true blue blur. This is Shadow, reimagined as a dark, deep-sea fish, powerful, silent, and feared in the ocean depths. This is Charmy, reimagined as a tiny, energetic fish, zipping playfully through the coral reef. This is Big, reimagined as a giant, gentle fish, calm and peaceful beneath the sea.
Whoa, Sorry, Big. Sorry, Froggy. Can't chat. Gotta go help our friend.
This is Jet, transformed into a high-speed fish, slicing through ocean currents with precision.
So let me get this straight. We just need to collect all these Chaos Emeralds, right?
This is Amy, reimagined as a bright pink fish, graceful, strong, and full of heart. This is Knuckles, reimagined as a powerful armored fish, guarding ancient underwater ruins. This is Espio, now a stealthy fish, blending perfectly into the shadows of the ocean.
My name is Espio. I'm the brains in this organization.
This is Cream, transformed into an adorable, gentle fish, drifting quietly through coral reefs.
Hey Cream, have you seen Sonic? The last time we saw him, he...
This is Metal Sonic, redesigned as a cybernetic deep-sea fish, built for speed and destruction.
Tip, if you're gonna take a shot at the fastest creature in the universe...
This is Vector, reimagined as a massive sea guardian, strong, bold, and impossible to miss.
My name is Vector. On this silent night, I will be...
This is Supersonic, transformed into a legendary golden fish, glowing with unstoppable power beneath the sea. This is Blaze, reimagined as a glowing, elegant fish, radiating fiery energy beneath the waves. This is Tails, transformed into a clever twin-tailed fish, spinning through the sea with brilliant speed.
If these readings are accurate, he's here. I found it.
This is Rouge, transformed into an elegant jewel-like fish, shining among underwater treasure.
Well, I have a hunch. You see, I've been searching.
This is Silver, now a mystical fish, floating effortlessly as psychic energy ripples through the water. This is Eggman, transformed into a mechanical sea creature, plotting chaos from the depths.
My grasp on sanity remains absolute.
Two emojis, one blue legend. Who is it? It's Sonic the Hedgehog. Be honest, how would you rate this Sonic run? And let me know in the comments. Dark, powerful, and mysterious. Can you guess? It's Shadow the Hedgehog. Golden glow and ultimate power. Who's this? It's Supersonic. Only the outline is shown. Who's this Sonic character? That strong silhouette belongs to Knuckles. smart, fast, and has 2 tails. Guess the character. It's Miles Tails Prower. Next up, find the odd one out. Did you spot it? This is the odd one. Strong fists and a fearless heart. Who is it? It's Knuckles the Echidna. Pink, powerful, and full of love. Can you name her? It's Amy Rose. Can you spot the hidden illusion? Did you see it? That illusion was Tails.
If these readings are accurate, he's here. I found him. I just hope I'm not too late.
Metal body, glowing eyes, Sonic's rival. Who's this? It's Metal Sonic. A genius villain with big plans. Guess who? It's Dr. Eggman. Look carefully, only one appears once. The non-repeated one is Knuckles. Psychic powers and a calm mind. Who is it? It's Silver the Hedgehog. Elegant, powerful, and flame-themed. Final guess. It's Blaze the Cat. Here comes the next illusion. Focus carefully. And the hidden illusion was Amy Rose.
What? Who are you?
Choose your next epic adventure, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more.